you'll find that generally people will spend around 3% of their home value on a new kitchen. The way that you can, see if they're qualified is by just finding out the average house price in that area. You can even go a step further, and when you're actually setting up the ads, you can set up the ads so you're only targeting areas with a average house price that would suit your service. And obviously, when you've set up the ads, you may have done that, and you may have set it up so you're only targeting areas with the right house prices. You probably also have a pretty good form on there, to capture the right information and disqualify some blatantly unqualified leads. But you can do everything in your power to stop these leads coming through, but some will still get through. That's just the nature of the game. But what you can do is, once they've come in, make sure you can pre-qualify them properly using some of the steps I just outlined, and then you can make a decision about whether this is a lead that's worth you following up and worth you calling.